Hey credit heroes! After 20 years in the credit repair industry, I've heard a lot of questions and I've seen a lot of lives changed. But a lot of people still don't really understand what credit repair is or how a company could help them. That's why today I'm going to talk about the value of credit repair companies, how they work, and if they are worth it. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I've helped thousands of businesses scale from the ground up. And I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face, and I've learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. My own credit got ruined by a bank error. It was terrible, and I nearly went bankrupt and lost everything. Back then, not a lot of people were talking about credit repair. So I did a lot of deep digging and late night searching to understand what had happened to my credit score. I slowly taught myself how to repair credit, and then I started to help the people around me. And that's when I started to see how unfair the credit system was, how it's a system that's been designed to hurt people and make the banks really rich. It's because of all that struggle that I built Credit Repair Cloud. I wanted to make it easier for other people to repair credit and help change lives. Here's how this relates to us. Credit repair can be done by yourself, just like you can fix your car, cook your food, cut your own hair, and do your taxes. It requires time and dedication, but you'll have better credit and a valuable new skill set at the end of the process. And if you want help learning how to repair your own credit, my team and I are here to support you through the Start Repairing Credit Challenge. It's a virtual 5-day training that's packed with info and support, and even better, it's free! And you can sign up for the next challenge at startrepairingcredit.com. But I also understand that not everyone has time or energy to commit to mastering a new craft. This is where a credit repair professional can help. Credit repair companies are often run by people who have turned their own lives around through credit repair. Many of them fixed their own credit first and then went on to help a whole lot of people. Their stories are amazing and personal. People like Andre Coakley, who battled through depression after suffering through credit issues and multiple foreclosures, but he has now built his own very successful credit repair business. And Vamba Freeman, who lost his job after getting injured and ultimately became homeless. But he learned how to repair his credit and then started his own credit repair business from scratch, and he grew it into $1 million business in just a few years. And there are so many more great stories and a lot of lives that might not have changed without the help of expert credit repair. Here's why this is important. Hiring a credit repair company can be totally worth it. Maybe you really don't have the time or capacity to take on learning a new skill. Or some people would rather pay a professional and lean on their expertise. And that's okay. Credit repair companies offer to do the heavy lifting for you. This includes reviewing your credit reports for any errors, identifying those errors, mailing dispute letters regarding inaccurate or outdated information, and even serving cease and desist letters to debt collectors on your behalf. They know what to look for, and they know how to deal with complicated things like charge-offs, tax liens, and bankruptcies. They then can set a plan into motion about how to dispute them and get those items removed. But even more than the nuts and bolts of credit repair, they are a great support system. It's like having a personal assistant for your credit. Besides being experts at credit repair, a professional can help to identify opportunities to partner with other experts like a FCRA lawyer. And the right company can teach you how to boost your credit score and set you up for future success. Here's what you need to know. When choosing the right credit repair company for you, it's always a great idea to do your homework. Research the company and make sure they can provide a state license, industry certifications, and training verification. Also look for reviews and testimonials on sites like Facebook and Trustpilot. and get a written contract that explains your rights and the services they provide, and make sure you understand the cost associated with their services. Here's my final point. You play an essential role in your credit repair process. Commit to the process and stay persistent. Whether you decide to learn a new skill and repair your own credit, or if you choose a trusted credit repair professional, your credit score is too important to leave to chance, and you have the power to change it starting today. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn an easy way to remove late payments from your credit report, check out my episode on wiping away late payments. And if you'd like to improve your credit score and discover how to earn extra income repairing credit for others, check out my brand new Start Repairing Credit Challenge at startrepairingcredit.com and keep changing lives.